I have bought recently this used 2014 Audi Q7 3.0-liter TDI. It has approximately 128,000 miles. Today we are going to do an engine oil flush. During inspection I did notice that the oil is dirty and probably is not being changed for a long time, even the reminder was reset. I have ordered online all the necessary fluids for this DIY project. The brand chose is not a sponsor for this video, and you are welcome to share in the comments below what brand you prefer to use for your cars. The engine oil is designed for diesel engines and meet the specifics required from Audi as well. I'm going to use Proline engine flush and Ceratec oil treatment. The fuel injector additive fluid came as a gift and I'm going to use for my other car. I did also order the super diesel additives that are designed to keep the fuel lines clean and the fuel pump in a good shape. Diesel in America is way more cleaner, and these additives help to keep viscosity and reduce wear and tear of the system. We are going to add the Proline engine flush at the oil reservoir and let the engine run for 15 minutes. It will get mixed with the oil, and the goal is to reach parts of the engine where residues are stocked and dissolve so they can get out with the oil via the drain part. It is very important to check the washer diameter because the wrong size can cause oil leak, and we do not want that to happen. This washer is made of copper and is supposed to be like that. Unfortunately, the one that we took from the drain plug was other than copper. It is a good practice to clean the oil filter house. It had a lot of residues and putting some love on this car is a must. You put some love and care and the car will give you a nice ride and will last longer and will drive in peace of mind in beautiful places. Just a double check here to see visually if is any potential leak from the oil drain plug. It is the time to add the Keratech oil additive. According to the manufacturer, reduces friction and protects the engine and transmission against wear, prevents expensive repairs and prolongs the life of the assemblies. High mechanical and thermal stability, ensuring outstanding lubrication even under the toughest conditions. The last but not the least, it is time to change the fuel filter. Especially in diesel engines, it is highly recommended to be changed on every oil change interval. Filter prevents impurities getting to the fuel injectors. That is something that you want to avoid. Looks like this filter has not been changed in a long time. The filter we choose is manufactured in Germany and is a very good brand. As I have mentioned before in this video, none of the brands used here is a sponsor. Please share your preferred brands in the comments section below. Every comment will be read and every shared experience will be highly appreciated. The clamps that you see attached to the fuel hose prevent the fuel from leaking into the engine bay and making a mess. Also, it prevents the air getting into the system. Air locking in the fuel system will result in the erratic running of the engine and may result in the stopping of the engine. We didn't prime the filter with diesel, but that will be taken care from the fuel pump as soon as we prepare the engine to start. We'll carefully secure the filter in the holding brackets and make sure that nothing is loose. Make the last cleanings and the job looks like it's coming as desired.